Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to request a refund on StockX. First, visit the StockX website and log into your account. Click the profile icon at the top right of the screen. Select Buying to view your purchase history. Under the History tab, find the item you want a refund for. Click on the item to open its details page. If eligible, you'll see a Start Return button. Click on it. Fill out the return form, answering all required questions. Once submitted, StockX will provide you with a shipping label. Box up the item neatly and prepare it for return shipping. StockX doesn't allow returns or refunds for buyer's remorse. Refunds are typically only offered if there's a mistake on their end, like receiving the wrong or defective item. Always check the return policy. And that's it. That's how to request a refund on StockX. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.